So this is the Stakegame. So the Stakegame script I have everything. So Stakegame from the by the lab. So Stakegame, the ultimate gaming platform. So they developed the game in the PSP level. So check this script. This script has many issue. So we have solved this script, and our latest script we have built it. So this is the script. So this script I am editing from the directly in the live application, the live website. Check it, and I am updating the check code. I am editing in the live website. This is a specific hosting and domain. My client purchase from the spaceship, and I am directly editing in the live application in the live hosting based on the client demand. Client wanted from me to change the color, change the logo, change everything. So what it changes, I am updating from the live application, live website. So if you need any Stakegame, any PSP level gaming application need to update, you can contact me to update within 24 hours. I will solve it. Any development you need, I will solve it for you within the super fast speed. I have super fast speed service, also super fast service from me, you will get it. So any issue you can contact me. So this is the main application. So but the main software is also loading, like now it's loading fine. Sometimes it's loading, huge time loading. So we have solved the issue. So if you need, you can contact me to getting it from me. Check it. So this is the Stakegame, which is built in PSP Laravel. If you need to edit or update any kinds of any script in the PSP Laravel, you can contact me to get it. The PSP Laravel, the gaming application, I will also develop it for you. I also edit it and update it for your demand based need. So with the lowest cost and best service from me, you can contact me. So this is about contract and gaming. So best of luck.